Hello kids! Today let's learn to draw a cute little penguin. So let's see how we are going to draw. First you need to draw a nice oval shape like this. You can use a pencil so that you can rub if you got it wrong. And now draw two shapes like this. One and two. Continue drawing this line towards the bottom like this. Draw a small triangle shape for the penguin's beak. Now draw two circles like this for its eyes. You can draw circles or oval shapes. Eyeballs. Now we'll draw some nice eyelashes to make it cuter. We'll draw some hair. Little hands. These are the penguin's feet. And now you can color this part black. And its hands are also black. A little hair. There you go. Thanks for watching and please subscribe. Bye.